Hey guys, Daniel back out here in the shop. We went on a little trip last week and got back to the house, and suitcase was acting kind of funny. So I took a look at it, and the wheel here, the rubber came off the wheel. So what I did was I went online and found a company that sells it. That company there is the Flight Attendant Shop. The Flight Attendant Shop. He'll sell you some wheels and accessories. So we'll get this open here in a minute and see what's all come in it, but it comes with bushings and stuff. And it's pretty simple to take apart. You just unzip your inner deal out, and then has some screws right here. So, but every model is a little bit different. You take those two screws out, that strap will come off, and then you have a little bump. That's actually what the wheels, I believe the wheel actually fit in there, right? No, that's that. I'm sorry. That's one of the stands. But this piece here, there you go. So this piece here has I don't know if you can see it, it's got a slot, probably this way. It's got a square bolt that goes through a pin, and then a little snap ring fits on the end of it. So, but this is the good one. The bearing is kind of bad in it. I probably had this suitcase 20 years, maybe more than that. And so instead of getting rid of it, I said, well, what we'll do, we'll just get online, see if somebody got some wheels, and we'll take it apart and fix it. So that's what I'm going to do in this video, is fix this right quick. All right, let me get the camera back on the stand, and then we'll open the parts package. Okay, the prices was pretty reasonable. It was about $17, $18, somewhere along there for two wheels. And what you do is, when you go on the website, you have to take a tape measure and just measure across. And it got probably 3 or 4 different sizes. So that's what I did, and that's how I ended up with these. And we'll put these in right quick. Let's see, the pin should fit. He sent bushings in case the pin don't fit. I think these are going to fit. I'm going to have to probably have to polish this off just a little bit. That should go in there. Yeah, so it pops in, and so we'll be in good shape. I just have to remember it has a little bevel where the little clip goes in, and that got kind of boogered up a little bit when I was taking it apart. So like I said, I won't even have to use these bushings. He sent those bushings, 2 wheels, and there's 2 sets of bushing, comes for like $16 or so, plus tax and then shipping. So, okay, let's get on the other side here. We'll put one together, and I don't think the height's really going to make a difference. But that fits perfect, just for what it is. All right, we'll go on this side here. Okay, first thing we'll do is kind of raining. I think it was raining when we got out at that place. Let's see here. Okay. Let's get that hole lined up and push this pin through. And it's got a little square on it to keep it from turning. So it pushes all the way through, and then you can go down just a little bit more. Okay, works perfect. I will just I'll turn the camera off while I try to get this clip on, and because that's just standard procedure. All right. You point the camera at Jenny, and she started ducking. But anyway, so this side is back in. Let's put the screws in with the little washers that comes on those. Then it has 2 screws here, and those 2 they clip on. It fits right on the top of here. It has a little bracket up through there. Then this is one of the legs, but that's gonna take care of it. So we got to take this side apart here, get the bad wheel off of here, and work out pretty good. I'll probably just keep this for something else. Bearing is bad on it, but I may hang on to it. So this is just a little carry-on Samsonite. Like I said, I probably had it 20-something years at least, and works good. Got plenty of compartments. Great. When I go, and I have to. It's got enough. I can get enough. Probably a week's worth of clothes in here, I think. On here. Okay, I'm gonna take the other side loose, and I'm not gonna show you the boring part. It's just taking the screws out. But that's the deal on that. If you ever have a suitcase to go bad, go to flight attendant. The flight attendant shop. It's up in Minneapolis, Minnesota, and they can get you fixed up on those wheels. And like I said, once you unzip the inside, you can see how to take the brackets off to change the wheels out. Okay, thank you for watching. Very, very quiet. I love those wheels on there. Oh yeah, big improvement. Very big improvement. Nice neoprene wheels. Okay. Alright, this is done. And that's how bad it was. Broke the rub off of it. And only tools I use is a magnet to help put the C-clip back on the pin, screwdriver, and a little pick to pull the C-clamp out. That's it. Done deal.